And we did this 30-day challenge, and I was looking through the results of how much money people had made and also how much of a following they had, because I think digital products are really like interesting entrepreneurial opportunity. And there was this one, I was going through all of them yesterday over in the studio, and there was like so many people, but there's this one that stood in mind because she had 1,000 followers, and she's helping women to get control of binge eating and other sort of eating disorders by selling like digital products and information and really like a community. She had like 1,000 followers or something. And in the last 30 days, she's made £4,000 or £5,000 doing that. She sold like 40 like digital products, so like
Yeah.